I am Shivani Patil. Welcome back to my channel Study Aid. In our previous video, we have learnt about terms, factors, coefficients and also expressions. In our today's video, we will be seeing about monomial, binomial, polynomial, then like and unlike terms. These all concepts we will be studying in this video. If you are new on my channel, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin with this topic. So first we will see what is meant by monomial. So monomial is nothing but a expression that contains only one term. So let's take 4x square. So this is a monomial as it is having only one term. Then there are many other examples like 3xy, then minus 7z, minus 9 and etc. There are so many examples of this monomial. So what is monomial? Monomial is an expression containing only one term. Now let's see what is meant by binomial. So binomial, with the name itself, we may be getting that it is an expression containing two terms. So monomial, one term, then binomial contains two terms. So for example, a plus b, 5 minus 3xy, z square minus 4y square. So these all are the examples of the binomial. Now let's see what is trinomial. Trinomial. So trinomial contains three terms. As the name itself is saying, tri means three. So trinomial contains three terms. So examples of trinomials are a plus b plus c, then 2x plus 3y minus 5. So these expressions are containing 1, 2, 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. So trinomial contains 3 terms. Now let's see what is polynomial. So now this polynomial means an expression containing one or more terms with non-zero coefficient, that is with variables having non-negative as exponents, is called polynomial. A polynomial may contain any number of terms, one or more than one. So the examples of this polynomial are a plus b plus c plus d, then 3xy, then 7xyz minus 10. Here you can see that these expressions are containing more than one terms, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and n number of terms. So this is monomial, binomial, polynomial and trinomial. I hope you understand this. Now let's see what is like and unlike terms. Now look at the expressions 7x, 14x, then minus 13x, then 5x square, 7y, 7xy, minus 9y square, minus 9x square, minus 5yx. So now look at these expressions. So here you may be finding that some of these expressions are having the same variables. See here this 7x, this is having the same variable 7x, then 14x, these both are having the same variable, and again minus 13x, this also has the same variable. So the terms that are having the variables same are known as the like terms. So from this we find that first 7x, 14x minus 13x. These are like terms. Again, we find that here 5x square and minus 9x square. We see that the x square, the variables are the same. So 5x square and minus 9x square are like terms. Again, we find here that 7xy and minus 5x. These are also having the same variables. So 7xy and minus 5x are also the like terms. Now let's see what is unlike term in these. So the remaining ones. So these don't have the same variables. We call it as unlike terms. So from this 7y, so unlike terms. There are many unlike terms in it. See here 7y and 7x. So these both are also unlike as they don't have the same variable. Then again 7x and 7xy. These both are also not having the same variables. Here you can see this is 7x and here is a 7xy. And then 7x and 5x square. These also do not have these two also don't have the same variables. So these are the unlike terms. I hope you understand this concept. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. In our next video, we will be seeing about addition and subtraction of algebraic expression.